Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, welcome back to my channel, and this time we're gonna make another DIY, which is something like really fun because, you know, when you wash your clothes and you have to fold it, I know sometimes that's a lot, and you need help. So, with this thing that we're gonna do today is something like, even your kids were gonna have fun doing these clothes to fold. So, even me, I tried it and I like it. It's kind of enjoying. So, come on, let's do some DIY because you're home alone. So, this is the measurements of the cardboard that we're gonna need it. So, this measurement is for the t-shirts. This is kind of cool to recycle all the boxes that you got, especially when you used to order online. So yes, you have to measure it one by one, and you're gonna need 3 cardboards, and one is you're gonna divide it into the half. So then this is the measurement for the blouses. So you know, blouse and t-shirt is really kind of different size because blouse are really smaller than the t-shirt. So after measuring, sure, we need to cut it. Yep, so we're gonna need 3 cardboards. That's, yep. And one, you're gonna cut it into the half because that will be your center cardboards. So this will gonna be the position, and this will gonna be how it will gonna work. So we're gonna connect them using by duct tape or packaging tape, whatever you call it. By this part, you not need to connect all of them, so you not need to tape all of them. Just pay attention to the blinking black lines, because that's the only part you have to connect and tape it. And connecting the cardboards, you need to give a little bit spacing between of them, so you're gonna be able to fold it and, you know, move it freely. So now this is ready, and I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, come on, let's try it. Look how fast and easy to fold this t-shirt. Ah! 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 It's really so much fun. You just have to take a look. I don't know, but you have to find ways how to do it, but I think you better find out where's the center, because the center of your cardboards is the center of this, so where you're folding it. So you have to find the center of your t-shirts also. If you do that, then everything will gonna be fine. It also works in the blouse, but then again, as I've shown a while ago, do and cut the cardboards into the sizes and measurement that I gave in the beginning of this video. Look at that. How neat is that? Isn't like a t-shirt in the shop, right? So that's it. I wished and I hope I'd help you today again, guys. And so also for the moms, so now there's an idea for you to how to make your kids
help you and enjoy and feels like playing at the same time. So thank you for watching, and I wish I would help you guys today. I still have a lot of videos in here in my channel. Go browse it, but don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!